Good morning, class 8B. So this is the second video of your chapter Force and Pressure. So in the previous class we have studied about the pressure, its unit, its formula. Now we are going to study about the applications of pressure, where all pressure is applied. So in the previous class we discussed that pressure and area are inversely proportional to each other. That is, if you apply more pressure, or you can also say that if an area of a particular thing is more, lesser pressure will be applied there. So you all know that nails, pins, needles and syringes, they all are made pointed because we have to pierce them somewhere, and because they are pointed, clearly seen, they are like this. They are pointed. So when they are pointed, they have lesser area, and when the area is less, pressure automatically increases. So if my needle or pin or an iron nail is sharp, it can easily pierce into a hole. Similarly, you all know that knives and blades, if they are blunt, we are not able to cut properly with them. But if the knife is sharp, or a new knife which is like extremely sharp, it is easily used to cut different objects. And you all know that it is advised to not to wear pencil heels or heels because it really hurt our back. The reason is same. If the heel is pointed, the area will be lesser and more pressure will be applied. Similarly, you all know about the back straps that we have. We are always advised to have broader back straps, because if straps are wider, lesser area, more area is there, so pressure would be reduced and our shoulder will feel more comfortable. Similarly, you can see here camel's feet and elephant feet, they are extremely tall, bulky, so they have wider feet. Because of wider feet, their area increases, due to which the pressure applied reduces, and they are they feel more easy to walk. So now we'll discuss about fluids. Now if we say what are fluids, so fluids is anything which can flow. Anything which flows, anything which has the ability to flow are known as or are called fluids. Now there are two examples of fluids, which are liquids and gases. We all know liquids and gases both flow. You can see an example of water, oil, and in gases we all know that air is a gas and it has the ability to flow. Now liquids and gases do have weight, and if they have weight, they also apply pressure. So again, there was a Pascal give Pascal's law related to fluids as well, and according to this law, when pressure is exerted at a point in an enclosed liquid, it is transmitted equally in all directions. What it means to say is, suppose if you take a container and in that container you pour some liquid and a pressure is applied, so that applied pressure will be distributed equally in all the directions. Now the pressure exerted by liquid have following characteristics. First, liquid, as the Pascal law says, liquid exerts pressure in all directions. At a certain depth, a liquid exerts the same pressure in all directions. Suppose if we are talking about this height, then at this height pressure would be same for this particular. If I move little bit downward, then this pressure would be same for both the sides or all the sides associated. The next is the pressure exerted by a liquid increases with depth. As we go deeper into a sea or a river or any container, pressure increases because the weight of the liquid increases. So if weight increases, pressure also increases. So this is all. We'll continue this in next class.